Central vacuum system installation process. A central vacuum system can be installed in a new home or an existing one. Many homeowners say, it's better to hire a professional. But you can do it yourself. To save time and money, make an appropriate plan for the layout of your home based on its square footage and style. Here, I will tell you the easiest process. Step 1. Choose a place to locate the power unit, such as the basement or utility room. Then, buy power unit, collection bin, piping, receptacles, wiring and other supplies. Buy more piping than you plan for in case something goes wrong. Read the manual carefully. Step 2. Install the power unit in a dry place on a flat, level surface. Put it near or on an exterior wall so the exhaust vent piping to the outside will be minimized. Some vacuums don't need to be vented, and others do. This unit requires adequate ventilation, so don't box it up. Step 3. Install the inlet valves, receptacles on walls or floors. Most people place them on the walls. Choose one per room in a strategic location. Typical hose lengths run between 25 and 30 inches. Make sure you can reach all parts of the room from the outlet. Really large rooms need 2 outlets. Mark and cut holes in the drywall. Install the receptacles on studs and run the wiring for the switches to the power unit. Make sure you buy the right size wiring. To save money on piping, you should install the outlet receptacles as low on the wall as it is convenient for you to reach. Some people put them on the floors and place a cover on them. Step 4. Connect and run the plastic piping, PVC, from each wall receptacle to the power unit. Connect the piping with glue or another method recommended in the manual. Run the electrical wiring at the same time. Use hangers and elbows where needed to support pipes. Step 5. Read the manual again and check all connections. Plug the cord and try it out. Listen for vibrations, unusual noises or air leaks. If it is okay, then you done your do-it-yourself central vacuum installation successfully. Congratulations for your success. I know, it gives us much pleasure after completing a job.